how to collect emails in Wix Studio. So the very first thing that you can do is you can add in here a subscription to email into your actual footer. So you can just input right here the email that the customer or the visitor have and click on submit. Or you can also create a form where that email will be used. So I have here this blank space. Let's click onto this plus icon in order to add an element. Now, once it's open, we have in here this. So what we can do is we can head over to contact and forms. And then for this case, let's create a new form. Let's head over and then add it into the blank space of our actual site. Now, once that's been added, you can head over and then edit that particular form that you have. So for this case, let's head over and then ask for emails in order to collect them. So for this case, let's first head over and then ask their first name. And then after that, let's ask their email right here. You can also change the actual field name right here. And then after that, we have in here the email. But this one is totally optional. You can just ask for email instead of asking for name. But once that's done, click on the save option. And then that form shall be added right here into the blank space that we have chosen earlier into our actual site. That's how you collect emails in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.